Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Propel HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged into your Propel HR account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.propelhr.com. Once you do this, you will end up in its official website where you can find the Client Hub section. From there, tap on Work Leo, and once you tap on it, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and your password for your account and tap on the login button. Once you do this, you will get logged into your account. However, if you're new, tap on registration, and if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password to reset it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.